Hello and welcome to SmartPrep. Today we will be doing an NBT AQL past paper. Question 39. The fantasy mentioned in the first sentence of paragraph 2 is closely related in the same paragraph to the phrase A, open quote, skepticism might evoke, close quote, B, open quote, the previous century, close quote, C, open quote, modicum of exposure, close quote, D, open quote, imaginary world, close quote. And the answer here would then be, correct, D. Question 14. In the following list of things mentioned in paragraph 2, which is the odd one out? A, news report, B, comic book, C, video game, D, machines. Correct. The answer is C, machines. We might have moved a bit too fast there. Question 41. The expression, open quote, a modicum of exposure, close quote, in paragraph 2 means A, having attractive and satisfying familiar features. B, rather, the least bit of knowledge of our familiarity with. C, the uncovering of new visions of exciting travel. D, a recognition or knowledge of disastrous travel. And the answer is correct, B. Question 42. The, open quote, imaginary world of time or space travel, close quote, is again mentioned indirectly in the phrase A, open quote, Leonardo da Vinci artifacts, close quote, in paragraph 3. B, open quote, space flight company Virgin Galactic, close quote, in paragraph 3. C, open quote, a human in Iron Man costume, close quote, in paragraph 6. D, open quote, Back to the Future, close quote, in paragraph 7. And our answer here would then be correct, D. Question 43. The word it's in the phrase in paragraph 2, open quote, with its whooshing through, close quote, refers to A, time or space travel, B, report, book, game, C, modicum of exposure, D, or even way before that. The correct answer is correct, option A. Question 44. The term Onomatopoeia is used to describe the verbal phenomenon where the object, event, or action indicated by a word is imitated by or closely associated with the sounds of the word. Which one of the following terms taken from paragraph 2 is evidence of this phenomenon? A, imaginary. 2, wishing. C, vortex. D, fantastical. And the correct answer is correct B, wishing. Question 45. A word opposite to the meaning is tough.
Right, thank you, Machepo. Now, if you guys would like more NBT AQL preparation videos, click on this playlist right here. And if you would like help with NBT maths preparation, this playlist right here. And if we helped you, please like, subscribe over here. Thanks very much, and see you on the next one.